So, is your OBS footage super choppy, or can't you go to a higher resolution without it looking awful? Well, this is what this guide is for, as I'll be going through the optimal settings you should apply if you want your OBS footage to look as good as possible. Now, a big disclaimer is that if you don't have the hardware, then no matter what you do, you can't really get good quality and performance out of OBS. So if you have something like a FX 8120 with a GT 1030, then sorry, there's just not much that can be done. If you want to record an OBS, you just have to upgrade. Firstly, and most importantly, you need to get your bitrate right. Too low and your video will look awful, and too high and your computer will be doing extra work it doesn't need to do that won't appear in the final product. It depends on what kind of resolution you'll be streaming in. If you're doing 1080, you go with 6000, for 1440 set it to 18,000, and for 2160 set it to 50,000. This next one is mainly if you're still in this majority of people who still use hard drives. With hard drives, your bandwidth is very limited, so you have to use it wisely. So that's why it's best to record and to play from two different hard drives. So example, if I have all my games on another, I'll then store all that footage on another drive. That way each drive is being utilized, so there's no bottlenecking or stuff like that going on. And finally, choose your encoder really wisely. If you have a NVIDIA 10 series card, you should pretty much be using NVENC unless you have a extremely good CPU, or unless there's a lot of strain on your graphics card already. For example, if your CPU really can't keep up or something. So in that case, you should probably choose a CPU or software encoder instead. So I hope this little tutorial helped you with your OBS experience, and if you liked this video, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.